everybody, here is your tutorial for the song When You Believe. We are going to sing 2 measures at a time and then have you repeat after me as Joe plays the melody for you. And then we may do the full phrase and have you repeat that as well. Here we go, beginning of When You Believe.
Here's the introduction.
Many nights we've prayed with no proof anyone could hear. 1, 2, 3. In our hearts a hopeful song we barely understood. 1, 2, 3. Now we are not afraid, although we know there's much to fear. 1, 2, 3. We were moving mountains long before we knew we could. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go back and do that whole section as one piece. And. Many nights we've prayed with no proof anyone could hear. In our hearts a hopeful song we barely understood. Now we are not afraid, although we know there's much to fear. We were moving mountains long before we knew we could. Now we're going to go on to the chorus. And there can be miracles when you believe. Though hope is frail, it's hard to kill. 1, 2, 3. Going on. Who knows what miracles you can achieve when you believe, somehow you will. You will when you believe. And 1, 2, 3. We're going on to the next verse that is at bar 22. And in this time of fear, when prayer so often proved in vain. 1, 2, 3. Hope seemed like the summer birds too swiftly flown away. 1, 2, 3. nights I never thought I'd say. 1, 2, 3. Going on. There can be miracles when you believe. Though hope is frail, it's hard to kill. And 1, 2, 3, and. Somehow you will. You will when you believe. And 1, 2, 3. Kids, let's go back and put this whole section together from measure 22 through measure 39, which is the end of this chorus. 1, 2, 3, here we go. In this time of fear,